activity. The accuracy of mind-reading AI is improving rapidly. Continuous advancements in AI and neuroscience are driving this progress, making the technology more reliable and effective. As the technology develops, it will become more sophisticated and precise. Future applications could revolutionize fields such as medicine, communication, and human-computer interaction, offering new ways to understand and enhance the human mind.
Mind-reading AI is already being used in various fields. In medicine, it helps paralyzed patients communicate. It also assists in the diagnosis of neurological disorders. In gaming, it allows players to control virtual objects with their minds. Companies are exploring the use of mind-reading AI for market research. They want to understand consumer preferences better. This technology has the potential to revolutionize human-computer interaction.
Section 4, the promise and the peril. Mind-reading AI offers tremendous benefits. It could improve communication for people with disabilities. It might lead to breakthroughs in treating mental health conditions. However, this technology also raises ethical concerns. The idea of machines reading our thoughts is unsettling. It raises concerns about privacy and autonomy. Who will have access to our thoughts? How will this technology be regulated? These are crucial questions that society needs to address.
Section 5, the future of thought. The development of mind-reading AI is rapidly advancing. This technology, which once seemed like science fiction, is now becoming a reality. Researchers are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Scientists are making new discoveries all the time. Every day, new breakthroughs are being made in understanding how our brains work and how we can interface them with machines. As this technology evolves, it will have a profound impact on our lives. Imagine a world where we can communicate our thoughts directly to machines or even to each other without speaking a word. It is essential to approach this technology responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility, and we must be vigilant in how we develop and use these advancements. We need to establish ethical guidelines for its use. These guidelines will help ensure that the technology is used for the benefit of all and not for harmful purposes. Open dialogue and careful consideration are crucial. By engaging in discussions and debates, we can address potential issues before they become problems. The future of thought is at stake. How we handle this technology now will shape the way we think and interact in the future. We must ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can create a future where technology enhances our lives in meaningful ways.